Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Wells Fargo account for transfers, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wells Fargo account for transfers, begin by visiting the official Wells Fargo website. Next, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Select the account you wish to authenticate for transfers. Look for the Transfer option, usually located in the Account Details section. Click on Transfer Money to initiate the process. If prompted, verify your identity using the two-factor authentication method. This may involve receiving a code via text message or email. Enter the received code in the designated field. Confirm your identity to proceed with the transfer setup. Next, provide your recipient's bank details as required. Carefully review all entered information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation of the transfer on the screen. Keep an eye on your email for a transfer notification from Wells Fargo. To ensure smooth transactions in the future, revisit the Settings section. Under Security Settings, review your authentication methods. Consider updating your contact information if it is changed. Your account is now authenticated for secure transfers. Feel free to log out when you have completed your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.